Hello everyone. How are you all, my dear students? I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. So, my dear students, as you all know, we are doing English lesson number 12, The Valiant Queen. Fairbook notes of lesson number 12. So, my dear students, do you remember what we have learned in a previous video? Yes, in the previous videos, we have completed hard words, meanings, give one word, fill in the blanks, and complete the following. So, we have completed all the objectives. So, from today, we are going to write question answers. Answer in brief and answer in short. So, before starting question answers, we will revise all the topics which we have completed in a previous video. So, let's begin our today's session with a quote. That is, be kind to everything that lives. So, let's see the first topic in the lesson. That is, hard words. Hard words. So, let's see hard words. Number 1, V-A-L-I-A-N-T, valiant, valiant. Number 2, I-N-D-I-A, India, India. Number 3, S-A-C-R-I-F-I-C-E-D, sacrificed, sacrificed. Number 4, R-A-N-I, Rani, L-A-K-S-H-M-I-B-A-I, Lakshmi Bai, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Number 5, J-H-A-N-S-I, Jhansi, Jhansi. Number 6, F-R-E-E-D-O-M, freedom, freedom. Number 7, F-I-G-H-T-E-R-S, fighters, fighters. Then T-O-U-G-H, tough, tough. Number 9, M-A-J-E-S-T-I-C, majestic, majestic. Number 10, A-R-T-I-L-L-E-R-Y, artillery, artillery. Number 11, G-H-U-L-A-M, Gulam, G-H-O-U-S, Ghost, K-H-A-N, Khan, Gulam Ghosh Khan. Number 12, S-I-E-G-E, siege, siege. Number 13, B-O-M-B-A-R-D-E-D, bombarded, bombarded. Then number 14, C-A-N-N-O-N-S, cannons, cannons. Number 15, B-A-T-T-E-R-E-D, battered, battered. Number 16, S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S, soldiers, soldiers. Number 17, F-I-E-R-C-E-L-Y, fiercely, fiercely. Number 18, C-A-S-U-A-L-T-I-E-S, casualties, casualties. Number 19. MESSENGER. 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 Number 20. PANTING. 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 Then 21. BONFIRE. 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 22. BETWA. 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 23. ILLUMINATED. 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 24. TANTYA. Tatya. TOPE. Tope. Tatya Tope. 25. AMMUNITION. 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 26. TROOPS. 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 27. FALL. Fall. BACK. Back. Fall back. 28. HOLD. Hold. OUT. Out. Hold out. Hold out. 29. CAPTURE. 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 30. FATE. Fat. Fat. 31. SEALED. 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 32. DARING. 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 33. TUCKED. Tugged. Tugged. 34. ACCOMPANIED. 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 35. ATTENDANTS. 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 36. KALPI. 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 37. CONFUSION. 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 38. ADMINISTRATOR. 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 39. NECESSARY. 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 Number 40. KONCH. Conch. Conch. Then 41. SCINDIA. 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 Then 42. BANDA. 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 Then 43. SCATTERED. 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 44. EXHAUSTED. 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 Then 45. SUCCUMBED. 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 46. SPIRITED. 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 47. INTENSITY. 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 48. ASSAULT. 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 49. escaped, escaped, escaped. 50. gwalior, gwalior, gwalior. Then 51. campaign, campaign. 52. imminent, imminent, imminent. 53. launched, launched. 54. cavalry, cavalry, cavalry. 55. victory, victory, victory. 56. patriotism, patriotism, patriotism. Now let's see meanings, meanings. So let's revise. Number 1, battered. Battered means damaged. Illumination. Illumination means light up. Fall back. Fall back means move back. Undying. Undying means lasting forever. Lasting forever. Spirited. Spirited means full of energy. Now, after meanings, give one word. So let's revise. A branch of army that uses large guns. Artillery. Artillery. An attack in which an army surrounds a castle or a city. Siege. Siege. Number 3. Breathing loudly with mouth open. Panting. Panting. Number 4. The quality of having strong feelings of love, respect, and duty towards one's country. Patriotism. The quality of having strong feelings of love, respect, and duty towards one's country. Patriotism. Now, after give one word, there is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So let's see. Number 1. She gave a tough fight to the British. She gave a tough fight to the British. So, I already underlined the answer. Then, number 2. It was 21st March 1858. It was 21st March 1858. So the answer is 1858. Number 3. The siege of Jhansi began on 22 March 1858. The siege of Jhansi began on 22 March 1858. Answer is siege. Siege. Now, number 4. The attack on Jhansi became even more fierce. Answer is Jhansi. Answer is Jhansi. Number 5. She planned a daring escape. She planned a daring escape. Answer is daring. Answer is daring. Then After filling the blanks, there is complete the following. So let's see complete the following. Number 1. She reached Kalpi where she found Tatya Tope's army in great confusion. Army in great confusion. That is the answer. That is the answer. Number 2. She chose a small town of Conch to fight the British army. To fight the British army is the answer. Number 3. Let's begin fight after 10 o'clock when it is very hot. When it is very hot is the answer. Then number 4. For the British, her escape meant that their campaign was far from over. Answer is their campaign was far from over. Number 5. She fought with undying patriotism till her last breath. Till her last breath is the correct answer. Now, after complete the following, there is answer in brief. Answer in brief. So, let's write. Question 1. Who had arrived in Jhansi when the Rani saw the flames? Who had arrived in Jhansi when the Rani saw the flames? How did the Rani and her people react? How did the Rani and her people react? Answer 1. The army of Peshwa led by Tatya Tope had arrived in Jhansi to assist the Rani. Her men shouted with joy and the Rani allowing herself to hope joined in. Now, question 2. Describe the battle of Betwa in your own words. Own words. Answer 2. The battle of Betwa between the 20,000 men of Tatya Tope and the 1,200 troops of the British Army ended in defeat for Tatya Tope. Now, next is answer in short. So let's see. Number 1. How did the Rani want the women of Jhansi to help? How did the Rani want the women of Jhansi to help? Answer 1. The Rani wanted the women of Jhansi to learn how to ride, shoot, tower watch, and care for the injured. Answer 1. The Rani wanted the women of Jhansi to learn how to ride, shoot, tower watch, and care for the injured. Question 2. Why was the British attack to Gwalior imminent? Why was the British attack to Gwalior imminent? Answer 2. Because their campaign continued ever since the Rani's escape. They would certainly attack Gwalior. Now, question 3. Name any two freedom fighters. Name any two freedom fighters. Answer is Gandhiji and Bhagat Singh. Gandhiji and Bhagat Singh. Now, question 4. Who was the leader of Peshwa's army? Who was the leader of Peshwa's army? Tatya Tope was the leader of Peshwa's army. Tatya Tope was the leader of Peshwa's army. Question 5. Where did Rani Lakshmibai died? Where did Rani Lakshmibai died? Answer 5. She died in Gwalior. She died in Gwalior. So, this is the end of answer in short. Now, make sentence. Make sentence. So, let's see. Number 1, fall back. Fall back. Rani's army began to fall back against British army. Against British army. Rani's army began to fall back against British army. Number 2, fighters. Last attack was very fierce. Last attack was very fierce. Then, panting. The messenger was panting. The messenger was panting. So, my dear students, this is the end of today's session and the end of our syllabus of English. So, we will meet in the next session with the next topic. Regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to message me on my number. We will meet in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.